It's, morning in my house. This is Myrtle. Hi, Myrtle. Oh, she's a little purr monster, too. Isa, be nice. Be nice. Hi, Myrtle. Myrtle's a dark black tortie. Sweet, though. Her sass might come. Torties can be sassy. That's half the fun, huh? Yeah. Then you get cats like my Spartacus, who's a giant smush and a pushover and just muscles his way in because he's giant, because we have too many kittens. Aw, Lucy. We'll swing back over to Lucy because we had little purrs and meows from her. Linus is climbing all over my shoulders. Good morning. I have coffee breath, don't I? Hi, Sparty. Myrtle's been spayed and she's been started on her shots, and she tested negative for her combo test. Hi. Sorry, excuse me. Hi, Lucy. Lucy's like, I'll just move up into the action. Hi, baby. Careful, or Sparty's gonna get mad.